The Colleges of the Fenway Incorporated is centrally designated by the U.S. Department of State to review and issue immigration paperwork for the J-1 Exchange Visitor Program on behalf of our member institutions. By transitioning from a paper-based immigration process to a paperless process, using existing Teradata software that the colleges had already purchased for managing study abroad, the typical 2-week timeframe for processing immigration paperwork was reduced to 2 to 3 business days. As we work with the campuses to take the model of processing J-1 immigration and applying it to F-1 data management, there are many parallel benefits. Advisors can easily query for student data, keep internal notes on their interactions with students can submit required information for their visas, as well as information ongoing throughout their program. Students can inform the international offices of critical updates to their programs, such as CPT and OPT requests, and this will all be documented in one online environment rather than hidden away in an individual email, or worse yet, sitting in a paper file on someone's desk. This process will assist with business continuity as well as achieve the GeoCenter's core missions to increase efficiencies, reduce redundancy, and improve systems.